Today is a regular Tuesday morning at the office. Ted, an employee working in shared services, has started his day by grabbing a cup of coffee and sitting at his desk. When he opens his inbox, he finds hundreds of unread emails to go through. Some of them require immediate attention, some others instead contain information about events, company initiatives, as well as communications from Ted's leadership. He takes a deep breath and dives in, hoping this will be quick. Finally, he manages to start his next daily task. Check a complicated and detailed Excel file that reports his activities. For every single action, he needs to follow a specific and tedious process, which includes filling out multiple forms and for which he's required to use a different tool. Many times, this means he needs to insert redundant data in different places and spend time looking for manuals and instructions to perform a simple operation. These highly manual activities could possibly lead to data inconsistencies between portals. Every day follows the same pattern, and Ted has learned to accept it passively. But he's frustrated and unhappy, and so are his stakeholders. He knows things can be improved, but he feels lost and would not know where to start to change things. Ted daydreams that one day things will be easy and time efficient, with one interface to access and share key information. His wishes are not that far away from reality with the digital workplace. The digital workplace is projected to be widespread by 2020, barely 2 years from now. Its goal is to provide a much better user experience, reducing information overload and connecting different tools in a seamless and agile system focused on performance support and speed. Let's have a closer look. The digital workplace is founded on 4 pillars, which are part of a transformation journey. The first pillar is collaboration, because the most efficient way of working happens through collaboration, establishing great relationships and connecting with others. For this reason, the digital workplace connects people beyond physical and organizational boundaries, supporting knowledge sharing. The second pillar is technology. Each organization already has a set of tools according to their business. The digital workplace provides a streamlined e-solution that is agile and flexible, so employees' focus can stay on productivity and efficiency. This means no more trial moments, nor looking for the right tool and procedure to perform a simple task. The third pillar is control, as collaboration and a great cloud solution cannot work without a good orchestration. This is where appropriate but flexible policies and regulations come into play, since governance is a must. Last but not least is business. It's essential to stay focused on the business needs. In fact, the digital workplace is pragmatically directed on clear and measurable business values, promoting new business innovations. Ted is enthusiastic. This framework seems to address all of his doubts and frustrations. No more duplicated information, no more juggling between tools and platforms to finish a single operation, no more confusion or questioning a particularly tedious process. But that's not all. Not only does it promote operational excellence, but it also opens the door to new, innovative business processes. The digital workplace looks with particular attention to shared services to bring a renewed enhancement to the company's business. Big data, artificial intelligence, robotics, and advanced analytics are fundamental resources to move forward, and this is taken into account in the digital workplace plan. The focus is to bring relevant e-solutions in order to identify and create value on one side, all the while promoting innovation and preventing value leakage on the other. The time for digital transformation is now. Are you ready?